Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about ClickCease for Agency. Without ClickCease, 15% of your Google ad budget is probably being wasted due to competitor clicks. We automatically send fraudulent IP to Google in real time, making sure bots, competitors, or any harmful sources do not get the opportunity to click on your ads. Get PPC clients for your agency. Well, there are a lot of agencies for sure, but you'll be pleased to hear that there is plenty of work to go around. It's just a case of knowing where and how to find clients for your PPC agency. When it comes to finding clients looking for pay-per-click management, many of these same techniques apply. How we will help you win with your clients. Ultimate insights and solutions. Identify campaign vulnerabilities. Maximize your clients' online revenue. Get a ClickCease account for free today, and you'll start thinking about fake Google Ads clicks. Thank you. I hope that information helped. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about ClickCease and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.